All right, what to remember from this page. So the core ideas are make colon anything is going to need to be run in a folder that contains a folder called app and contains a file called run.py. Otherwise, you're going to get an error message. There are views, controllers, and models. Views are separated by dots, and they are pluralized, so that they're separated by dots into segments. If you want to keep things together, use underscores or dashes if you prefer. You can see that up top, and they're pluralized. Controllers and models use PascalCase. Controllers always end with the word controller. And controllers and models are singular instead of plural. So that is a wrap up of everything. If you want to see more detail, please watch the videos above.